Alright, welcome to Enhancement 8. So for the first step of this, I'm going to go ahead and show the process in action, clicking on the multiple category views. Look, they all return things, woohoo! And then on the multiple pages showing that they do work. And that they display differently. Woohoo. Exciting. Second one, resize the screen or browser to show that the product detail maintains integrity. So this is my mobile view. As you can see, it puts the image on top, puts everything else below it, and then on my larger views, I haven't put a limit on the image. I'm still trying to decide whether or not I want to, but for now it scales and maintains its aspect ratio. And that is regardless of image size. And it will stay centered, which I'm quite fond of. And then the last is showing that it is valid HTML and CSS. So here is our validated CSS, and here is our validated local HTML. No errors or warnings to show, because I'm awesome. I did stray slightly from the assignment and didn't build these functions quite as described, passing the category name and product to the single product display page as well. And the reason I did that is for this breadcrumb right here. I'm using functions to build my breadcrumbs, and they need to know what category is associated with it, and I prefer to just pass in the category from where it was already stored than having to re-query the database. Even though it's a simple query, it's just personal preference.